Today's journey was from Taos to Santa Fe, New Mexico, via Bandelier National Monument and White Rock Overlook. The route I took from Taos to Bandelier is known as the Low Road to Taos, and one section of this follows the Rio Grande along the southern end of its gorge. That section is very scenic and is marked with the first white marker on the map. The second white marker indicates the beginning of another, less scenic section. The two blue markers on the map indicate photographs taken at my two stops. My first and main stop was at Bandelier National Monument, which preserves Puebloan dwellings and ceremonial sites dating from 1150 to 1600. What is unusual here are the two different types of dwelling. On the canyon floor and on ledges in the canyon wall, rock dwellings were built. However, the canyon wall also contains a large number of natural caves which were enlarged by the people to form cave dwellings. The predicted thunderstorms held off until about 15 minutes after I'd finished my hike at Bandelier, but then the rains moved in. I did manage to get a few dry minutes at my final stop, which was the White Rock Overlook of the Rio Grande Valley, before the rains moved in again and I drove to Santa Fe.